Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GABA versus Stepan. We'll explore what each entity represents and their primary functions. It's important to understand that while both are significant in their respective fields, they operate on fundamentally different levels. This comparison will help clarify their distinct contributions and why a direct better assessment isn't straightforward. GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is a crucial neurotransmitter in the brain. Its primary role is to reduce neuronal excitability, essentially acting as a natural calming agent. Many people take GABA as a dietary supplement to help manage stress, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep. It's widely available and recognized for its potential to support a relaxed state. Stepan Company is a leading global manufacturer of specialty chemicals. They supply a wide range of ingredients, such as surfactants and polymers, to industries like personal care, household cleaning, and agriculture. While Stepan's chemicals are vital components in countless products we use daily, they are a business-to-business supplier and do not directly offer consumer supplements like GABA. When asking which is better, it's crucial to recognize that GABA and Stepan are fundamentally different. GABA is a specific biochemical compound with known effects on the body, often used as a supplement. Stepan, on the other hand, is a company that manufactures chemical ingredients. Therefore, you wouldn't choose one over the other in the same context. Your need dictates which is relevant: a supplement for personal well-being, or chemical ingredients for product formulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.